Want to move your crypto off Crypto.com? This video will show you exactly how to withdraw your crypto to another wallet or exchange, step by step. First, open your Crypto.com app and tap the Accounts button located at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll see your crypto balances. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. For this example, let's say we're withdrawing Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin to view your Bitcoin wallet. Now, tap the transfer button. This will present you with options to deposit or withdraw. Select withdraw. Choose external wallet. If you've previously withdrawn to this wallet, it will be listed. Otherwise, you'll need to add the wallet address. To add a new wallet address, tap the plus icon. You'll be asked to paste or scan the recipient wallet address. Double check that the address is correct and that the network matches the asset you are sending. Otherwise, your funds might be lost. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind the withdrawal fee, which is displayed on this screen now. Review all details carefully. Make sure everything is accurate. Then confirm your withdrawal. You may be prompted for a 2FA code or other security verification. Enter the code to finalize the withdrawal, and that's it. Your transaction is now pending. Confirmation times vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Be patient, and you can always check the status in your transaction history. For more tips and facts, check out the links in the description. #crypto withdrawal, #crypto transfer.